Hi everybody. In this session, we are going to learn one more question. See, I will read the question. What is the question they given to you? A carbon compound containing carbon and oxygen has approximate molar mass equals to 290. On analysis, it is found to contain 50% by mass of each element. Therefore, molecular formula of the compound is options they given C12H9, C4O3, C3O4, C9O12. So these are the options C9O12 and this is C12O9, C4O3, C3O4. These are the options they given to you. And C, that is a compound containing carbon and oxygen. What is there here? Carbon is there and oxygen is there in the compound. Total molar mass equals to 290. Overall, has approximate molar mass equals to 290. This is the molar mass of the carbon compound, 290. Okay. On analysis, it is found to contain 50% by mass of each element. Carbon 50% and what they given mass of this is 50% and this is also 50% mass they given. What we know atomic mass we know. What is atomic mass of carbon? That is 12. What is atomic mass of oxygen? That is 16. And what they are asking to find the molecular formula, but we have a procedure to find the empirical formula. We know how to find out empirical formula by this way, mass and atomic mass. After that we are going to find out the number of moles. How can you find out number of moles? Mass by molar mass. What is that mass given to you here? 50% is 50 by 12. Here 50 by 16. How many moles will come here? Generally, how many moles will come? Your calculate means almost 4.166. Actually, I am calculating 4.166 will come. 3.125 will come. 3.125 we calculated means. After that, what I will do this is moles I know. I need a what I need simple ratio need. I need simple ratio. What is that one? Simple ratio. For simple ratio, what I will do? Out of this, which is smallest one, we are going to divide by the same number. Here 3.125 is smallest one. So I will divide 4.166 moles by 3.125 and also here 3.125 by 3.125. You got here. What is coming here? 1.3 will come here. 1.33 will come here. 1 will come. Here I got a simple ratio 1.33 and 1. In next one I need a simple ratio I got. What is that? Simple ratio. The carbon here, oxygen here. How much I got simple ratio? 1.33 and 1. That one I will write. 1.33 and 1. Here we are going to find out simple whole number ratio. Simple whole number ratio. What is whole number ratio here? So to get a whole number, what I have to do? What I will do is I will try to multiply with 3. What is coming? You are multiplying with 3 means what is coming? 1.33 into 3. So almost 3.99. So that it is 4 and it will be 3. So this is the simple whole number ratio. So based on that, empirical formula is equal to C4O3. What they told? I got empirical formula. What they told? Molar mass equals to 290. We can check this. Formula is same or different? So empirical formula I got. So what I can calculate by this? I will calculate this empirical formula mass. Empirical formula mass is equal to 4 carbons are there. So 12 into 4 plus 3 oxygens are there. 3 into 16. What is coming here? 12 fours 48 plus 63 is 48. So 48 and 48. What is empirical formula mass? What is empirical formula mass? Empirical formula mass is equal to 48 plus 48. How much coming? 96 coming. Empirical formula mass. But what we know, molecular formula mass is equal to N into empirical formula mass. That is equal N is equal to molecular formula mass by empirical formula mass. What is that molecular formula mass they given to you? Molecular formula mass nothing but molar mass or molecular mass. How much they given? 290. By empirical formula mass is 96. If you are calculating this one means what is coming is 3 will come. 290 by 96. Almost how much coming? 290 by 96 here. We are calculating means 290 by 96. It is coming as a 3 almost. So that it is coming as a 3. Approximately 3 will come. So that what I can say finally n value we are getting 3. So that what is that? You can write here molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula. What is n value? We got 3. What is empirical formula? Already we got here C4O3. Correct? No. C4O3. We have to multiply. In this way we have to write O3 3 times. This is what the meaning. Here C12O9. C12O9 is present in first option. You can also check this. 12 carbons are there. 12 6 are 72. 9 oxygens are there. 69s 144. So almost how much coming? 8 and 11 to 18 coming, no? So that's C12 and C12 and O9 is our option. See this is what thing. I hope the answer is A. Thank you.